Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I have this wire heart from Dollar Tree, and I bought these beautiful like orange and melon roses, and I couldn't find all of the same color, so I had to get 2 different shades. I did see this on Pinterest, and I did see Olivia's Romantic Home. She did one also. So I want to give credit to Pinterest and to Olivia. Just pull off all of the roses, all of the tops. You don't need the wires or the greenery. So you're going to pull all those off. I believed I used 8 roses total. And because, like I said before, I couldn't find all the same color, I did some in a I guess an off color of the orange or the melon color. So make sure your glue gun's on, because you are going to need a lot of glue. I did put a piece of wax paper underneath, but that didn't work out too well. But I'm going to start out just putting the glue on the wire, and I'm just going to start on the outer rings, and I'm just going to keep pushing the roses together so there aren't any gaps. So you just keep pushing them in there, keep using your glue gun. And you're just going to glue around the outer edge. This doesn't take very long at all. The glue does seep through a lot, so whatever's underneath, it's going to stick to it. I tried the wax paper, but it really didn't work. So if any of you have a suggestion, because I do want to make some more of these, I would love for you to comment below and let me know what worked for you. So you're going to keep on gluing all the way around. Just press the flowers, get them as close as possible, because you want it to look really full and really pretty. So again, get them as close as possible, because you don't want any gaps. I love the way this turned out. It is so beautiful in the end. But the paper keeps sticking, so don't use wax paper. If you have any hints for me, I would love them, because that glue was sticking everywhere. And like I said, just keep getting them close together, because that's what makes it really full and pretty. Anyway, if you have any gaps, you can just fill in the holes. That's when you sort of put them as close together as possible, but then when you finish, you can actually look and see if there's any gaps and fill it in.
Somewhere by the emerald sea, where the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony, when the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views. Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I, jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing.
Anyway, I had a hard time finding all the same color of the roses or any flowers for that matter. I never seem to find like all of the same color. So I end up having to do like a lighter shade, which I think turned out really pretty anyway. But one day when I find them and they have all the same color, I'm definitely going to do one all the same color. I guess I just got to be at the right place at the right time when they come in. I recently brought some purple ones, but again, I couldn't seem to find enough to do a whole wreath with it. And I'm probably going to use this year round because I love the colors and spring's coming. It's one of my favorite colors. As you can see, I was fighting with the wax paper because it really didn't work as well as I thought it was going to work. I thought it was going to keep it from sticking because there's a lot of glue that goes down. So the glue drips through the wire and it gets stick on things. So it was stuck to the wax paper, but it's okay. Just bear with me because it takes a little bit of time to go through all of the flowers to get them all nice and full. But I've made a lot of wreaths too, different ones where I've done the tulle or the wire wreaths. I've just done the straw ones too. So this one was the wire one. I have a lot of wires in my garage for wreaths that I haven't done. I have a really giant one, but that would probably take at least $20 worth of flowers. But these flowers from Dollar Tree, they are absolutely beautiful. They are. You cannot beat the price for $1. Just got to get there at the right time to get as many as you want of the same color. That was my problem. Okay, that's my second color. It's like a soft color, which I think will be really pretty.
Come and fly away with me.
Okay, I'm starting on the second layer, so I'm going to use that inside wire. As you can see, I'm still struggling with the paper. I had newspaper underneath, so I knew that would be worse. So now I'm doing the lighter color, and it's going in the inner ring. So I'm going to go around just like I did the first for the outer layers and just keep packing them in. I think this took me like, I don't know, maybe, I'm going to say less than 10 minutes. So it's quick and easy. It's inexpensive. I think it costs less than $10 to make. So can't really beat that at all. Sure, you pay 20 or 30 bucks for it at a store. And you get to choose your colors. I'm going to make a purple one with violets, and then I'm hoping to make another one for springtime, maybe the greens. I think that would be pretty. Turquoise one would be gorgeous. I love turquoise, but I think it'd be hard to find turquoise flowers. Unless I spray painted them. What if I got some white ones and spray paint them? I might try that. I'm sort of picking it up and checking to see if there's any gaps in there. Because once you put it up against the light, you can see if there's going to be gaps. Now some of the flowers were different. So these had little stems on the back of them. So I'm cutting them up with the wire cutter so that they would lay flat.
Something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.
So let me know your comments. Please subscribe, like. Happy Valentine's Day too. It's coming up. So if you'll just subscribe, we would love that. And we'd love you to be a part of our family. And always be kind, because kindness always matters.